Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Okay, now let us see next problem, that is fourth one. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So here you see the meaning of respectively. It means quotient, this is the first word given. This first expression, it belongs to the word quotient, means it represents quotient. Simply this is the quotient. Same with second one, remainder. So here the second expression or second polynomial is remainder. As we need to find the g of x, the given polynomial is p of x. Let us take like that. So here let us solve now. Let p of x be the given polynomial, that is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is given. And we need to find g of x. G of x we do not know. So let us keep question mark. We need to find it. And also given quotient. Quotient nothing but q of x is equal to x minus 2. Right? Also given remainder, that is r of x equal to minus 2x plus 4. These are the given values. Only thing is we need to find only g of x. Right? By division algorithm, of polynomials, p of x can be expressed as g of x into q of x plus r of x, where 0 less than or equal to degree of r of x, it is strictly less than degree of g of x. Now let us consider this one, p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. In this, p of x is subject, but the thing is that we need g of x. So let us make g of x subject, means let us make it alone. First r of x you send this side, then what happens? Here p of x is already, it is there. Bring this r of x this side, then g of x into q of x equal to g of x into q of x, this dot indicates into, is equal to p of x minus r of x, p of x minus r of x. Right? Now we want to make g of x subject. So let us send this q of x that side, as it is into multiplication, it goes that side, that will be division. So here g of x is equal to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. Right? So let us write these values. P of x is the given polynomial, here it is there, right? Let us write x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is p of x minus r of x. R of x is minus 2x plus 4. Here without fail you don't forget to maintain the bracket, because that is subtraction. Minus 2x plus 4. So here minus 2x plus 4 by q of x. Q of x is x minus 2. Right? Now here let us write x cube as it is, minus 3x square plus x plus 2, minus into minus 2x is plus 2x, minus into plus 4 is minus 4 by x minus 2. So here x cube, let us write x cube minus 3x square also we will write, because it does not have any other like term. Now x terms you see, plus x plus 2x becomes plus 3x. Right? Plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 divided by x minus 2. That means here understand x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, that polynomial is divided by x minus 2. If this polynomial is divided by x minus 2, you will get a polynomial that is nothing but g of x. Now the thing is that we need to do the division. We need to divide this polynomial with this polynomial. So here let us take this as dividend, this as divisor. So here x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is the dividend, x minus 2 is the divisor. Now again as usual, here the first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So here first term of dividend is x cube by x. X cube by x is nothing but x square. 3 minus 1, it is x power 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 side x square. That is the first term of the quotient. So now with x square multiply, x square into x is x cube, minus 2 into x square is minus 2x square. Now here subtraction symbols changing, plus x cube minus x cube get cancel, minus 3x square plus 2x square, different symbols we need to do subtraction, that is 1x square. Bigger number symbol is negative, so I am writing minus, it is minus x square. So let us drop these two terms, plus 3x and then minus 2. Now second term of the quotient, here minus x square by x, minus x square by x. On simplification, here this is minus x square is minus x into x, 1x get cancelled, so here minus x is left. So here with minus x multiply these two, plus into minus is minus, x into x is x square, minus into minus is plus, 2 into x is 2x, so plus 2x. So it is plus, it is negative, minus x square plus x square get cancelled, plus 3x minus 2x is plus 1x, minus these two, let us drop these two as it is. Now again third term of the quotient, x by x. So here x by x, nothing but 1. So let us write here 1 with 1 into x is x, minus into plus minus, 2 1s are 2, so minus 2. So here on changing symbols negative, this is positive, plus x minus x get cancelled, minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, so here 0. Now on dividing this polynomial we get this as the new polynomial, that is nothing but, so this can be replaced with this x square minus x plus 1. So this is x square minus x plus 1, means here that is nothing but g of x. Therefore g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So this is what, this is how we can find the g of x from this problem. Now let us see next question, that is question number 5. Give examples of polynomial p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm, and here three conditions are given. First condition, degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. Second one, degree of q of x equal to degree of r of x. Third one, degree of r of x equal to 0. Here you do understand, we need to give the examples which satisfy the division algorithm along with these cases. First you do remember that there are infinite number of examples. You do not think that this answer should be matched with the textbook answer. At the same time, you please do not think that these answers are also wrong as they are not matched with the textbook, because I am not saying the textbook answers are wrong, they are absolutely correct. But the thing is that there are so many, means infinite number of answers, infinite number of examples are there which satisfy the given conditions. Especially by keeping a slow learner in mathematics, those who really feel difficult in mathematics, by keeping them in my mind, here I framed three examples. I'll give three examples which are suitable to these three conditions. And based on that, you can think of more examples, children. Right? So, here I would like to tell you in an easy way. So, first you take it as first you take the positions of P of x, Q of x, R of x and G of x. So, as you know, first this is the position of P of x, that is what? Dividend. And here this is G of x, divisor. This is Q of x, quotient. And here finally this is R of x, remainder. Right? So, according to that, first let us take the P of x. Here follow it carefully. I am taking P of x as 3x square plus 6x plus 9. It is very easy to remember, children. Just I have taken multiples of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. In that way I have taken a quadratic polynomial, right? Now for this, I would like to take g of x as a constant polynomial, that is only 3. Constant term we can say. What is the reason? Because here degree of q of x should be equal to degree of p of x. Here you see p of x degree is 2. I want q of x also same degree. For example, if I take any variable here, again it may divide x square. So that again the same degree we may not get. Definitely we will not get. That's why I am taking only 3. So let us divide this one. 3x square by 3 is only x square. So 3 into x square is 3x square. So on subtraction, they get cancelled. Here 6x is dropped. Now 3 into 2x is 6x. Or you can say 6x by 3 is 2x. So 2x into 3 is 6x. So here this one negative, positive to get cancelled. Here 9 is dropped. Here 6x is dropped. Here 9 is dropped. 9 by 3 nothing but plus 3. So here I am writing plus 3. So here 3 3s are 9. They both get cancelled. Here you observe, children. Degree of q of x 2. Degree of p of x 2. So here in this case, here I am writing degree of q of x is 2. Degree of p of x is also 2. Therefore, this is the example of the first bit, that is degree of p of x is equal to degree of q of x. Is it clear? And one more thing, it should follow the division algorithm also. Definitely it will follow. If at all we can prove and check and prove it. Here you see p of x should be. That means here I am writing, children, because you may or may not see. So here p of x equal to means 3x square plus 6x plus 9 can be written as, here I am sorry, here I will do. Now let us check here division algorithm. So here division algorithm is p of x should be is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, right? Again, these examples should satisfy that one also. So here let us write p of x. P of x is a given polynomial, means we have taken 3x square plus 6x plus 9. It should be is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, means 3 into this one. 3 into q of x means x square plus 2x plus 3 plus r of x is 0. So here 3 into x square 3x square plus 3 into 2x 6x plus 3 3 is 9. This plus 0 is same. Here you see this value both are equal. That means this example satisfies both the conditions, division algorithm as well as the condition 1 also. Now we see second bit. Right. Before starting the second bit, see here, again I will remind you what we have taken example of p of x here. P of x I have taken as 3x square plus 6x plus 9. Once again I am reminding you, these are the multiples of 3 only. Now here, in this case, g of x I have taken only a constant, that is 3. Now let us come back to the second one. In the second one, degree of q of x and degree of r of x should be equal. That too should satisfy again division algorithm. Now here in this case, the same example you observe children, because if you have any link, it will be very easy to remember. So here 3x square is there. You just add one more term, that is 3x cube. So here I am taking, let p of x equal to 3x cube. Remaining polynomial copy as it is. So here plus 3x square plus 6x plus 9. Is it clear? Now here in place of g of x, here earlier I have taken 3. Here I am going to take g of x as 3x square. 3x square. Just always try to make a link with these two. It will be easy for you. So let us do here division. So dividend is 3x cube plus 3x square plus 6x plus 9. It is to be divided by 3x square. Right? 3x cube by 3x square is x. 3x cube by 3x square is x. So here let us multiply this one with x. 3x square is x is 3x cube. Now here on subtraction, it gets cancelled. They both get cancelled. Here 3x square is to be dropped. Right? Here 3x square by 3x square is 1. So here plus 1 if I write 1 into 3x square is 3x square. Here on changing the symbols, this also gets cancelled. Now here remaining two terms are 6x plus 9. They are to be dropped as it is. Is it clear? If not, you can drop them in this step also. It's nothing wrong. So here we can drop 6x and 9 also. They are to be dropped here down. So finally here we get 6x plus 9. Now degree of this r of x is 1. Degree of the g of x is 2. When it is less than this, means when degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x, we can stop. So we can stop solving this problem. Now here let us see degree of q of x and degree of r of x. Here you see this is q of x. So let us write degree now. So here degree of q of x is, here is a linear polynomial, its power is 1, x power is 1, so degree of q of x is 1. Now let us write degree of r of x. Degree of r of x. Here you see 6 into x power 1. There it is also highest power is 1. So that is also degree of r of x equal to 1. Clear? See here degree of q of x is 1, degree of r of x equal to 1. So here we can say that degree of q of x is equal to degree of r of x. Now here you see this condition gets satisfied. Now our duty to check the division algorithm for this example. So let us do it here. So let us continue here. Division algorithm for the second bit. Division algorithm for the second bit. Here you see p of x should be is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Right? Let us take first g of x into q of x. G of x into q of x. For that we are going to add r of x. Now we check whether we get p of x or not. So here g of x value is, g of x is 3x square. 3x square into q of x is x plus 1. For that we need to add r of x means 6x plus 9. 6x plus 9. Clear? So here 3x square into x, 3x cube plus 3x square into 1, 3x square plus 6x plus 9. You compare this one with this. Isn't it p of x? Same 3x cube, 3x square, 6x 9, 3x cube plus 3x square plus 6x plus 9. So here we get p of x. That means here it followed, this example followed the given condition, second condition, as well as it followed, it satisfied division algorithm also. Now before going to third one, I would like to remind you the example previous one what I have taken as second one. See, here I have told you p of x equal to, earlier I have taken 3x square plus 6x plus 9. Further just I added 3x cube. So here in this second bit I am taking p of x as 3x cube plus this quadratic polynomial as it is I am taking, so that it will become a cubic polynomial. So here 3x square plus 6x plus 9. Clear? In earlier case, means in the first one, I have taken g of x as 3. In the second case, I have taken g of x as 3x square. See, there is a link. So that you can easily remember. Now let us come back to the third one. In this third one, you just observe this first example, second example. In this manner only I am taking third one also, to not to give you any confusion. So that here you see, I am taking this p of x, what I have taken in the first case, same I am taking. So here, let p of x equal to same 3x square plus 6x plus 9. Right? Now, in place of g of x, what I am going to take? First I have taken 3. Second I have taken 3x square. Now I am taking only 3x. Only 3x. So that here degree of r of x will be 0. Okay? Now we will do the division now first. Here we can take p of x as dividend 3x square plus 6x plus 9. G of x is divisor, that is 3x. Now here let us do division. 3x square by 3x is only x. So here x into 3x is 3x square. So on subtraction 6x will come down. Clear? 6x by 3x is 2. So it is plus 2. 2 into 3x is 6x. So on subtraction 6x also get cancelled. Now here only 9 is left. Now you see here. Degree of the r of x is 0. That's why we can stop the problem. In another way, degree of this r of x is 0, that is less than the degree of the g of x, that is already 1. So we can stop the problem. Now again you observe this 9 now. From this, what is degree of r of x? Right? It's a constant term, constant polynomial. 9 can be written as 9 into x power 0. So whose degree is 0? That's why here whose power is 0, so its degree is also 0. Now you see, these examples, do they satisfy this condition or not? Definitely yes. Now let us check whether these examples satisfy this condition in division algorithm or not. Let us see now. So here I am going to check division algorithm for the third bit. Division algorithm for the third bit. Now as you know, p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So let us take it first. So consider g of x into q of x plus r of x. Then we see whether we get p of x or not. So g of x is 3x into q of x is x plus 2 plus r of x is 9. So here 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x into 2, 6x plus 9. You compare this one here, 3x square plus 6x plus 9. This is also 3x square plus 6x plus 9. That means this is nothing but p of x. So finally we got p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So the examples what we have taken, they satisfy division algorithm also along with this third case. So here these are the suitable examples for the third bit. Okay, fine. Just now we have seen the examples which are suitable for these three given conditions. And here I would like to give you a small clue, children, which will be helpful to you during your examination. See here, not only three, you can take another set of examples also. So here, instead of 3, I am taking with another one, that is p of x equal to, in place of 3, any number you take. Suppose I am taking 4. So here 4x square, 4 2s are 8x, 4 3s are 12. Clear? 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 3s are. Here g of x can be taken as 4. Now same way here, p of x is equal to, here 4x cube plus 4x square plus 4x, sorry here 8x, 8x, 4 2s are, 4 3s are here 12. Here you can take g of x as earlier you were taking 3x square, here you can take 4x square. Right? Here p of x 3x square, 6x plus 9 we have taken, that is those are multiples of 3, I am taking here multiples of 4. 4x square and 4 2s are 8x and 4 3s are 12. Here g of x equal to 3x you have taken earlier. Now we can take 4x also. Other than this, orally I am saying, children, in place of 4 you can take 5 also. So here you can say 5x square plus 10x plus 15. 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 3s are. Same the others also. Here we can take 5. Here 5x square. Here 5x. That means here we can take any number, children. Not only in this form. If you think carefully, you will get more examples than me. But my intention is that if I frame like this, it will be easy to everybody, and even slow learner also can easily follow it. And with this chapter 3, polynomials gets completed.